Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. We're gonna see what kind of adventures we can get into today. I'm testing out a new camera, the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4, straight from the Philippines, hooked up by my mother-in-law who was there for vacation. So let's see what this camera can't do, the quality. I don't know how to use this thing. Let's see if it's good enough.
You're famous. Oh my goodness.
Is that the guy? Is that the guy from YouTube? This is the guy. This is the guy from YouTube. This is the guy from YouTube. Hello. The gimbal action is pretty cool. I'm not used to this. How's the microphone? This is just a built-in mic. I have the wireless with me, but I haven't turned it on, so. How's the image quality? I'm not so sure. It looks very vibrant on the screen. It's just my glasses. Okay. I'm not recording in D-Log because I don't know how to color grade. Maybe that's something I should learn how to do. Huh. So our first stop is gonna be Bugs Bunny Land, Looney Tunes Land, whatever they call it nowadays. It's we're gonna get burgers and chicken tenders. So today is May 31st. From what I know, June 1st, Looney Tunes Land is gonna be closed up until June 5th, with some parts opening here and there, because the grand opening of Looney Tunes Land is June 6th, Saturday. So one of the other things this camera does, it has a 2x lossless zoom. So let me zoom it in and see. How's the quality on that zoom? 2x lossless zoom built in. Is the quality still good? If I zoom out, is it still good? Let me know. Micah! Sky! Say hi to the camera! So this is what the current state of Looney Tunes Land is like. So this is new. This is cool. It's a big old sign. Look at that. It's here right in front of the entrance, close to Wascals. All right, we got our dinner, and we got a perfect spot over here. Look at that. We got ourselves covered under the Wascals Eatery. So I'm testing out the microphone now. Does it sound better? We're walking around. I don't have the wide angle lens with me. Well, I do have it with me actually. I didn't put it on. I just want to see how this camera is naturally. I've also lowered the noise reduction and image texture to -2, -2 on both sides. Trying to soften the picture. Hopefully that makes it better. Does it match up more to my my Sony image quality? Because this is noise reduction and image texture back to 0, so not -2. Is it the same? Is it different? Can anyone tell? I don't know. Let's see. I'll check it out in post. I was asked how come I didn't wait for the DJI Pocket 4P or the 4 Pro or the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Why did I get this one? Honestly, I couldn't wait. I was just excited to get something new, and I had the opportunity because my mother-in-law went to the Philippines. She was able to pick it up for me because they don't sell this here in America with the ban, DJI ban. So I had the opportunity to pick this up and test it out. Hopefully it works out. I'm liking it so far. The small form factor is nice. There's a Drop of Doom. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I haven't ridden that. I don't know if I will. They said it's not as fast of a drop as Supreme Scream, but I don't know. I haven't ridden it before, so they're still going up. That's crazy. So I don't think today's gonna be a ride or roller coaster kind of day. We might just walk around and peruse. 7 p.m. Six Flags closes at 8, so gonna take it easy. We made it to the DC Universe. One of the things I want to catch for sure is the DC Fest. That starts June 4th, so next week, where all the superheroes come out and they do a show. So I'm still trying to see how the image quality is. I'm not so sure if I set it up properly. It's all on normal, soft tones. I'm trying for it to not be super vivid. So this is the film simulation. I don't know, does it look cool? Can I change it mid video? Hold on, let me see if I can.
It's all fine.
This is the movie simulation, movie mode, colors. How does that look? And then this is a different CC film mode. How does this one look? This one looks cool. I don't know how it looks for the vlog, but I like how it looks on the little screen. And now we're back in normal mode. There's no film simulation, no movie simulation, but all natural, straight out of the pocket, no color grading, just -2 on the saturation, -2 on the texture. Hopefully that's a good quality. ASO Clubs. I really like the barbecue tri-tip there. We had it last time we were here, but not today, but maybe next time. We're on our way to the bumper cars now, so let's see if I can record on the metas and record the bumper cars. Let's go. Hi, Tamirsa.
Your seats are now long. To check right as everyone sit back. Relax again. Have a jamming good time.
Don't go away! Don't go away!
Those left cars in, head towards the exit, right corner over here. And make sure to check out your favorite ride because the park is closing in approximately 25 minutes.
That was fun. Bumper cars are always a good time when you can bump your friends. I don't know where we're going. We kind of got split up, waiting for the rest of them. They went over here to ASO Clubs. So let's see. We got 25 minutes before the park closes. Let's make the most of it. So one of the things that I wanted to look at is over here at DC Universe. They have the stages set up for the play skit stuff that they're gonna start doing on June 4th. The DC Heroes and Villains Fest starts June 5th and ends July 4th, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. This is the stuff that they have going on out here. It says here, brace yourself for the ultimate battle between good and evil during DC Heroes and Villains Fest. Cool, I can't wait. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Whoa. It's Batman. Wow, I can't wait to see this play. Skit. And then on this side, they have another stage that I think they're still setting up. Or maybe this is where the DJ goes. Oh yeah, no, this is a DJ booth. Yeah. So when the music starts going on, that's what's gonna go on over here. Okay, very cool. I remember riding Superman where it goes forward and you drop backwards, and then they turned it where you go backwards and you drop forward, and now Superman is just closed. All right, I think we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the group. Hopefully we can catch everyone before the park closes. Gotta find the kids first, actually, that's very important. This is so cool. I can hold this like below my waist and it's still like perfectly level. Hopefully I don't run into anyone. In this Coliseum area, I still don't know what they're gonna do here. Have they announced it? Huh. Here's the 2026 events. Look at that. DC Heroes and Villains Fest. That starts next weekend. Star Spangled Night, July 4th. Fright Fest. We're going to be doing a lot of that. Tricks and Treats, Oktoberfest, and Holidays in the Park. All right. Got to get these in the schedule. Put them in the calendar. Not going to lie. This is pretty cool that I can just hold this close to my hip, close to the waist, and record this gimbal. Hopefully the image is pretty good. I've heard good things about the DJI, so I can't wait to edit this and see how it turns out. Alrighty, you guys, that's gonna do it for the test of the DJI Pocket 4 here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Hopefully this vlog turned out okay. If not, then I'll go back to using the Sony during our vlogs. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with us. Please do the YouTube things, like, subscribe, the whole YouTube shebang, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.